The application development process in the U.S. public sector can be cumbersome and costly, and if not done quickly and securely, it creates more risk for your organization. Without the proper methodology and automation in place, time to deployment increases, costs rise, and security threats grow, making your application obsolete or vulnerable to attack even before it hits production. At TD SYNNEX Public Sector, we understand it shouldn't be that way. Imagine being able to deliver applications rapidly, incorporate stakeholder feedback quickly, and implement security compliance more effectively and efficiently. You deserve a modern framework that provides continuous development and deployment of high-quality, scalable, resilient, and secure software throughout an application's lifecycle. TD SYNNEX Public Sector's Secure Software Factory, or SSF, provides a framework of platforms and tools to accelerate your software delivery by creating, deploying, and operating applications in a seamless, flexible, and secure manner. SSF adheres to a set of guiding principles and uses automation to overcome your organization's cultural and technology challenges. Whether your environment is on-prem, in the cloud, hybrid, or air-gapped. With TD SYNNEX Public Sector's SSF, you get a continuous development and deployment process, built-in security, and resiliency that delivers real value to your stakeholders and end users, so you can better focus on achieving your organization's mission. Take control of your application lifecycle and supply chain today with TD SYNNEX Public Sector's Secure Software Factory.